Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Guys, do you know today we have to learn about the topic of asexual reproduction. You can go through the previous video for getting the full knowledge of reproduction, that what is reproduction and why it is helpful for the living organism to reproduce itself. Okay, so guys, without doing any delay, let's start the topic asexual reproduction. The method of reproduction in which a single organism is able to reproduce one or more of its kind is called a sexual reproduction. It doesn't need gamete, it doesn't need two parents, that mother or father. It can be reproduced through a single parent. Okay, so it is called a sexual reproduction because here no sexual gametes is necessary for the process of reproduction. Asexual reproduction does not require both male or female gametes. Okay, so the amoeba, yeast, hydra, etc. reproduces by the asexual reproduction method. So the development of new individual without the fusion of the male and female gametes is known as the asexual reproduction. This is a proper definition for the asexual reproduction. The asexual reproduction usually includes amitotic or mitotic cell division of the nucleus at the cytoplasm of the body cells. Therefore, it is known as the somatogenic or the blastogenic reproduction also. The asexual reproduction is common one in the lower plants and animals, and it may be of following types, that is by fusion. It may be occurred due to fission, maybe binary fission or the multiple fission. The next one is budding, spore formation, regeneration, fragmentation and vegetative propagation. So this is all about the different type of asexual reproduction. Guys, today we will discuss about the type of asexual reproduction which is called binary fission. Before knowing about the binary fission, we must have to know that what is fission. The fission is the most widely occurring type of asexual reproduction of the protozoa and various type of metazoa also. Okay, so in this method the nucleus and the cytoplasm containing of the cell divides or splits completely into the two small sized daughter individual. Firstly, the nucleus will divide, and then after with the nucleus the cytoplasm will also get divided, and likewise the new two individuals are formed. So guys, let's start the binary fission. In binary fission, first the nucleus divides into the two nuclei. The cytoplasm then divides into the two parts of each containing a nucleus. Further stretching leads to the formation of the two daughter cells. So these cells so formed grow into the mature cells and then undergo into the similar binary fission. Okay guys, so it is the most important and common method of asexual reproduction in the unicellular organisms such as bacteria. Okay, in binary fission the animal body splits into the and divide in such a part that two equal individuals have been produced. It is most common in protozoa but also occurs in certain lower metazoa also. First of all, the nucleus divides by the amitotic or mitotic cell division. Then the division of the nucleus is followed by the division of the cytoplasm. So according to the plan of fusion or fission, following type of binary fissions occur, that is simple or the orthodox type of binary fission, the transverse binary fission, the longitudinal binary fission or the oblique binary fission, and strobilent binary fission. Guys, these all are the different types of binary fission, but you don't have to be go through in deep for the syllabus because explanation of all this type of binary fission comes under the study of graduation period. So if we will continue after the completing the syllabus of standard 8, the syllabus of standard 9 and 10, then after we will continue the syllabus of 11 and 12, and it is far away from us to know about the topic asexual and different type of binary fission reproduction. This is all about for the today's topic. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. Guys, if you have like this video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. I know that you all are with me, and thanks so much for your precious time.